Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Crown Inn Motel Yorktown. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi and laundry facilities, this Yorktown motel offers rooms with a cable TV and air conditioning. The Yorktown Victory Center in historic Yorktown is just 6 minutes drive away. A refrigerator and a coffee machine are included in each room at the Crown Inn Motel Yorktown. Ironing facilities and private bathrooms with a hairdryer are also provided. A 24-hour reception welcomes guests to the Yorktown Crown Inn Motel. Fax and photocopying services are available for a fee. The Watermen's Museum and Yorktown's Riverwalk landing are both within 8 minutes drive of the Crown Inn Motel. Busch Gardens Williamsburg is just 11 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.